In this problem, the ratios are directly proportional. Find the missing variable. If y1 equals 8 and x2 equals 14 and y2 equals 4, what is the value of x1? For this question, you could set up this proportional ratio in a couple of different ways. But however you set it up, you just want to make sure that your values are in a proportional pattern to one another. So if you were to set this up as x1 is to x2, as y1 is to y2, that is one way that you could set this up. We have our x's lined up vertically from least to greatest, and we have our y's lined up vertically from least to greatest. The other way you could do it is say x1 is to y1, so here we just have the first of each coordinate. We have our first x and our first y are proportional to our second x and our second y. These are both proportional to one another. No matter how you cross multiply, you'll still have the same result. Here we have x1 times y2. Here we also have x1 times y2. y1 times x2, y1 times x2. So as long as you have a proportional pattern, you can set it up either way. We'll go with this one for now. So x1 is our unknown. I'll leave that as x over x2 is 14. So that'll be over 14 equals y1 is 8 and y2 is 4. And now we can cross multiply. 14 times 8 is proportionally equal to 4x. So we can do 14 times 8. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 3 is 11, so we have 112 is equal to 4x. Now, 4 is being multiplied to x, so we can do opposite operations to isolate our variable. These 4's will cancel, leaving us with x equals, how many times can 4 go into 112? 4 goes into 11 twice, with 3 left over. 4 can go into 32 8 times, evenly with no remainder, meaning 28 is our correct answer, D.